I bought and tested both of these wallets from Amazon. I'm going to tell you exactly which one could be the best fit for you and everything you could possibly want to know. I've tested about 30 different wallets and try to find the best one. I'm going to be looking at these two today. Both are RFID blocking, both hold cards. These are more card friendly versus cash, but I'm going to show you how much cash could fit in each one, how many cards could fit in each one, and while they look somewhat similar, there is going to be a clear winner for you. And I'll go over what would be the best fit. If you don't like the colors or styles of these, don't worry. They all come in different colors and styles and make great gifts. Let's take a look at the RUNBOX first. So this is what the RUNBOX looks like. It comes in this nice little box here. Got a little instruction manual. Just put a little bow on that or put it in a box, whatever you want to do. We got 7 cards in this quick release slot right over here. Just pops out really, really nicely. And then we got another 7 cards on this side as well. You'll notice this right over here, really easy to access these cards. So you could easily just push them up. You don't have to worry about fumbling around. If you wanted to get more cards in here, that was no problem. You just kind of like feel your way over here. I usually like to put my thumb just like that. You'll see right over here, you could probably get another good bit of cards in here, probably anywhere from 5 to 7. Um, and on the flip side, this is where we're going to put the cash. So we got $20 bills right over here. And then we're going to fold these up just like that. And then it could go just right in here. And you do have, it fits pretty easily. It will depend on how many bills. So this is 20 bills and 7 cards on this side. Still room for more cards. It is a little tighter. So just note that as I kind of, it's harder to do right over here on camera, but you can see here it could probably get another 5-ish cards in there, and that would tighten up the cash over here. So if you're going to put 7 cards in here, I would say the max, is kind of 20 on the bills. And if you added another 5, you really can't add more bills. You might be able to add a couple more bills here, but you'll see right over here, 7 cards are in here. There's another spot in there potentially. It will just depend on how big your cards are. Let's jump over to the next one. All right, this is the Orid wallet right over here. This one operates a little differently. We have a clear ID pad or ID kind of holder in the front here, so you could easily slide your ID over here and you have a clear opening on that if you needed to do that. Or maybe you got a work badge or something, you could literally just flash that. And of course, we have this nice little thumb or finger thing we could just push out with. Now, to get cards in this one, a little bit different over here. So this is going to be on the side right over here. So you'll notice this. We're going to have to pry this open a little bit from this side right over here. It's easiest to kind of just get your thumb in there just like that and then push through right over there. This is, I think this is 14 cards right over here. So definitely space for a couple more. It says on the listing it could hold up to 15. You could easily get another 5 in there. So I would say you're looking closer to like 19 over there. Maybe 20 depending on the size of your cards. You got that nice little elastic there. In terms of cash now, we do have a money clip on the outside of this one right over here. You could slide $20 bills in there very easily. It's nice and secure. So this is what it looks like this. And then of course, if you have the ID slot right over here. No, so let's just get into the differences about these and what may be the better fit for you. So I would say if you are someone who wants that quick release, I tend to prefer the quick release. The run box might be a better fit for you. If so it'd be that one for if you want the quick release. They could both hold about the same amount of cards. Though you could get 6 to 7 up top here, and then you could get what's the rest? 13 over here, still getting the cash. I think this one's gonna be the best fit for you if you want the clear ID holder. If that's important to you, you want to have an ID or a work badge or whatever on the outside that is visible that you could show people. This is obviously be the one for you because this one does not have that. Also, if you prefer a money clip, this is going to be the one for you. That's kind of where I go back and forth with these. I actually prefer a money clip, but I prefer the quick release cards. So that's kind of the difference for me. I think in terms of, if you look at them like head to head, they're about the same size. Maybe this one is a little smaller, but like not by much at all. They do come in different colors, so you can't really go wrong with either one of these. I would say if you want a quick release, this is going to be the one for you. If you kind of want a money clip, this will be the one for you. They both hold about the same amount. Just depends on your style. I tend to like the quick release, so I kind of like this one. But can't go wrong with either one of these. Come in different colors, do the RFID blocking, all that stuff. I hope if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right wallet for you or someone you're buying it for.